Take a moment to check out the 2018 Lincoln Continental. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This boldly elegant Continental delivers tranquility on every journey. With the space and comfort of traditional full-size luxury and the convenience of today's connected technology, you'll be relaxed and confident wherever the road takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, power passenger seat, active suspension, heated mirrors, woodgrain interior trim, remote engine start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. Don't cut corners when it comes to comfort. You deserve the best. Get behind the wheel of this luxurious Continental. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.